Everyone loves mojito, right? It's one of the most refreshing and popular cocktails, especially during the daytime. But let me share a secret with you. Most bartenders, including me, hate making mojitos. Surprised? Let me tell you why and how I found a solution. Mojitos are incredibly popular, and as a bartender, you end up making hundreds of them in a single day. Mint leaves and lime slices float around in the glass, and many guests don't like that. While guests love the taste, and the floating bits can ruin their experience for some. I wanted to fix the problem of messy presentation while keeping the mojito's refreshing taste. A mojito without floating mint and lime looks much more elegant and appealing. Batch preparation ingredients like mint infused rum make serving mojitos faster and easier. Take 20 to 30 mint leaves and wash them thoroughly to remove dirt. Add a tablespoon of sugar to the leaves and gently muddle them to release the oils. Pour 200 ml of white light rum, here I'm using Bacardi, over the muddled mint leaves. Let the mixture infuse for 3 hours, extract the all mint flavors. In a glass, add 15 ml of simple syrup, I'm taking equal parts, and 15 ml of lime juice to balance the flavors. Pour a 50 ml of mint infused rum and stir it well. Add ice cubes or crushed ice for the optional. Top it up with the soda for the fizziness. Garnish with the mint bouquet for a refreshing look. Preparing the mint infused rums in advance lets you serve mojitos quickly and efficiently. No floating mint leaves or lime slices, just as a beautiful clear mojito. You still get the classic mojito flavor with the modern approach. Try this mintless, limeless mojito recipe at home and impress your family and friends. It's easy, looks great, and it tastes amazing. If you enjoyed this idea, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative bartending tips and tricks.